Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel C. I'm a YouTuber based in Zambia, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And today I'm going to be unboxing this Infinix Hot 11 Play. So I'm going to be talking about what comes with the phone, the specifications and everything. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and is this phone worth purchasing or not? So yeah, let me know in the comment sections what you think about this phone and everything. Yeah, so this is the packaging, how it comes in this green package, and behind there those are the specifications. I'm going to read them for you, don't worry. Those are what we call specifications. So here it's written 6,000 mAh. That's the battery. Long power marathon long lasting fan. That's what it's written. And this side it's written Infinix. And let me read out the specifications, guys. So for the memory it's 128 GB and 4 GB. Then the battery capacity is 600 mAh, as I said earlier, and the front camera is 8 megapixels with flash. Then the back camera is 13 megapixels. So front camera is 8 megapixels and back camera is 13 megapixels. So the network it's 4G, 3G and 2G, but yeah, I think it's 4G. Then the dimension, I think I don't know what this is. The screen, let me not talk about what I don't know. So let's go straight into opening this phone. Let's see what's inside. So it's plain white inside. And this is how it comes. Hot 11 Play, and this is the back, and there it's written, don't know if you can see, dual camera. So it has two cameras, and this is the flashlight, and I don't know what this is, and these are the two cameras. Then let's see what's inside this box. So we have this pin. This is this pin here is used for opening the SIM card memory card slot. Then there is also this X-Pack thing. I don't know in free phones how to get the price, the instructions there, how to win the same phone and what? Phone, Bluetooth earphone, cash voucher and whatever. Then we also have this paper. I think that is used for writing names or something, and you have this paper looking like a dollar note. This is about the X Club. I don't know. I've seen this application on my other phone, my Infinix phone. Yeah, so you read technology, beauty, entertainment, sports, gaming content, yeah, and everything about X Club. Then this phone also comes with a phone cover. The phone cover is transparent. So this is the inside. Then we have the charger here, the Infinix charger, the normal Infinix charger. We have the USB cable for connecting to the charger. Then we also have earphones. Yeah, so that's all that was inside this. Then Let's go into what you've all been waiting for. On the front, the back. It also has a fingerprint right here. This is how it looks like when it's on. There you can add the light, the brightness, and you can reduce from there. These are some of the applications that it comes with. Yeah, I think it's a very nice phone, but I didn't like the fact, because I bought this phone from Mobile City. I didn't like the fact that I really wanted an Infinix Hot 11, the Hot 11 just with the 50 megapixels camera, but I didn't find it. I'm sure they're waiting for all the store, or for most of their stock to finish from their shop, but I knew that if I wait, I'm going to use the money to buy other things that I need, so I just had to buy the same one. Otherwise, it's a nice phone, but I was getting a new phone because of the camera, so yeah, I'm really not happy, but no one forced me. So yeah, and the color is green. I don't know why they didn't ask me about the color that I want. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe it's the only color that's there. I really don't know, but I just realized this when I came home. Yeah, and this is all that I have to say about this phone. This is all. So I'm about to do a makeup video, so using this same phone. So you should watch the makeup video that I'm going to post. Let me know about the cameras, the camera quality and everything. Let me know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, so that you can join the family, and also make sure that you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comment section about what you think about this phone. So bye.